everyone, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. And today we are doing part 3 to the moose repair. And we gotta take him apart again. So the gear we put in there was too big. Like, that gear was hitting the motor.
Yep.
So it was like messing it up.
Yep, so the gear is right there. And it can't spin because the motor's right there and it's hitting the motor. So we gotta take them apart.
And that's not good because
again.
Yes, because we've taken it apart a lot of times.
We took it apart once and then we had to try to put it back together about 4 times. So I couldn't quite remember how it all went back together. But hopefully I got it down now to where he'll go back together faster, since we just took them apart a couple times the other day.
Yeah.
I might be able to. Do I have to take that side off? Yeah.
This guy's giving us problems.
Yeah, this is one of the more.
Complicated ones.
Yeah, just because it's hard to take them apart and put them back together. So
Okay.
the repair part wasn't so bad. All it was a gear, really. But
But we had to.
we tried to glue it a couple times, and that didn't work. And then we just replaced it with a different gear that looked like it was going to work. It actually did work. It spun until we put it back together. And once it's put back together, it's too tight.
That's too tight.
Yeah.
And if you guys heard that right, yes, I have a good Elmo voice.
Yeah.
I've showed you guys that before. Oh, I'm not sure if I did, if this is the first video you guys are watching on my channel. Then make sure to stop the video now and go to the part 1 and then watch part 2 and then come back to this one. Camera's gotta catch up.
Camera's gonna catch up.
It was kind of off a little bit.
Mine just glitched a little bit.
That's what it does when you first get in the camera. Or we started the video kind of early. And, I mean, early in another way too, because it is only 5:43 right now.
Only.
What do you mean only?
That's about time we usually start repairs. Usually around 5:30 or so. Between 5:30 and 6 is usually when we start working on repairs.
The video has already been 15 minutes long.
No, it hasn't.
It's been 4 minutes.
4 minutes, that sounds more like it. Okay, so which one? So this end comes off, I think. Take all of these out.
I'm head wiggling your arm.
Head wiggling my arm.
I have my head on your arm and my head is wiggling. You make your arm wiggle.
Yeah.
I'm head wiggling your arm.
Okay.
you guys can hear me humming the Feliz Navidad song, that's what he plays. That and when you pull his head, well, not really head right now at this point. When you have the skin on, when you pull the head, he'll like squeal. But right now it's like this little spring with the knob on top.
Yeah.
Let's get that baby apart. Again.
Oh, I took the wrong one off.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa.
No big deal.
Whoa. 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 Daddy, your glasses are moving.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I wonder why.
Your glasses are alive.
I doubt that. Well, that's not supposed to.
That's creepy. Why are your glasses moving by themselves?
Alright. Avoid them, bud. I don't want them all smudged up, please.
Where'd the glasses go? Oh my goodness. Oh, I think a hummingbird hit the window. Daddy, your glasses are floating.
Was it a hummingbird or was it a grasshopper? The grasshoppers hit it all the time.
I think it was a hummingbird.
They need to be careful then.
Daddy, your glasses are floating.
Okay, I heard you, bud. Please be careful with my glasses, bud. I don't want them smudged up.
Oh, she's got you.
This side don't want to come off now. I need it to.
It's came off before, hasn't it?
Yes, but I took the wrong side off. Now that side just keeps falling off. There it goes. Finally got the right side to come off. Get this little guy to come off. There. There.
There! Let's take out that gear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Careful as I take it off because I don't want it to get messed up. We can use it probably for a different toy at some point.
Yeah, because that's one of our spare gears. Do we have a new gear out now?
Yeah, I have one out. It's the same, pretty much the same size as the old one.
And hopefully that will work.
Yeah, hopefully.
I took
this part out.
Is that a good or bad? Uh-oh, it ain't coming out.
Well, it's just that it's in there good. There it goes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I forgot to tell you guys I went to
That's the one that's too big.
went to park today, water park, in the homeschool group.
Yep.
And I had a good time.
You had a good time?
Yes. And I had lots of pirate's booty.
What?
That's what those like Cheeto things are called.
Oh.
Pirate's booty. We thought it was popcorn, but it's kind of like a Cheeto, and it's so good. I had 6 bags today.
6 bags.
5 at the party, and one in the van when we were coming back home.
So you really liked it, huh?
Yes.
This is how we did the last one. Watch out. Don't push up on me. I'm trying to get this back on.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I move my shoulders.
Yeah, I can get down.
So that's the new gear we got on there.
Yeah, I just put the new one on.
And
So
then
this time, we're gonna test it, and then
we're gonna test it, and
no,
then.
and then I'm gonna screw this little. Oops,
Ooh.
that one came out.
Ooh. It came out again.
That's because
The gears are greasy.
the motor is magnetic.
Whoa! It is a magnet.
Calm, please.
Did we put more spare gears in there and just that one little one? Because some of them look pretty new.
No, just the one little one.
Trying to save y'all. Nay, nay. Nay, nay. Remember, we gotta make it offsetted, because that's what makes the legs move.
I know.
Gotta make it offsetted. Just as soon as we get it back in there. Nay, nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, nay. Alright. Oh no, we gotta put the rubber band on before we test it. We're gonna hold it on.
Yeah, because I can push this one there. Push both of those on. Now I gotta put this little guy back on.
And then we can put the rubber band around those two. Oopsie.
Dropped them.
Where'd it go? Where did it go? Daddy does not know.
Yeah, I do. I saw exactly where it went. Make sure it's lined up. Is it lined up? Right. No, I think I'm gonna put him this way.
It's gonna work.
Yeah, it's lined up much better. Alright,
Is he on?
he is now.
Still not spinning.
Hold on. Nothing's spinning. It's trying. Oh, there it goes.
That was weird.
I just need to, I think I'll put a little bit. Might have just got pushed down a little bit hard. Or too far. So I'm gonna screw
Yeah,
it up a
because when
little
you
bit so it's
dropped
not.
it, like the sound got a little warped a little bit. And then it.
There it goes.
Oh, now try pulling the neck.
Hold on. I'm gonna keep. Make sure the primary part's working first.
The primer?
Yes, the singing and moving. Them-
Well, it's supposed to move when you pull the neck too.
I know. I'll make sure this is all good.
I'm
And
gonna
then,
put this small gear in here.
yeah, you can put it in the bag with the little ones.
Now that gear is all greased up.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm going to put these screws in real quick to make sure it works once it's kind of put back together.
Greased up.
My last little screw go.
He's up to the window.
Okay. Where'd my last little screw go?
Sometimes the hummingbirds, they fly up to the window, and he did that. He flew up to the window for a second.
Oh, am I missing a screw again?
You're missing a screw again. I do not see any screw on the ground.
See if he's stuck to something. He's not stuck to the speaker. That's got magnet. The motor gets magnetic. Make sure he ain't stuck in there somewhere. I don't see it.
Oh, he's coming up to the window again a little bit.
They can't see what you're looking at, buddy.
I don't know. But it's still cool to see it.
Yep.
It's already almost 7 o'clock. No, it's already almost 6 o'clock. 2 more minutes.
You said 6:58. Did you mean 5:58?
No, but that's what time it is.
No. I dropped a screw somewhere.
You did?
Yes.
I did not see any screws down here.
There should be 4 of them. Well, let me see if he works now that he's screwed together tight. Yeah. He's still spinning good.
Much better on.
I hear a little bit of noise. Maybe the screw is down in there somewhere.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Are you talking
Feliz
about
Navidad.
Phyllis?
What?
Phyllis.
Feliz Navidad?
Phyllis Navidad. Is that who you're talking about?
No, it's Feliz.
I know, it's Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
That's from Jeff Dunham. Peanut. Didn't know that it was Spanish for Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. A flota nos glastones de los.
I'm sure I'm gonna find it as soon as I got everything put back together. That's gonna be very frustrating.
Maybe it's in your pocket.
Now, why do you always think Something's in my pocket. I did not put anything in my pocket.
Well, I could have fell in your pocket.
Nope, it's not my pocket. Alright, let's make sure all the screws are out of here. Calm. There's no screws in there. So those 4 are for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then those 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4 that put this back on. And then there's these little ones. It wasn't one of those. Really don't want it jamming something up. That's why I'd like to find it, but are you sure you didn't steal it?
I didn't steal it. We're fixing my toy. Why would I steal the screw?
Mm.
Maybe it floated up into the air.
I doubt it.
Maybe it decided it wanted to fly and flew into heaven.
I don't know. We're gonna keep
Oh
going.
my goodness! It's actually on the ceiling.
Yeah, I bet it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, let's.
I wish this one was just what it sounded like it should have been. Took it apart, put the spare gear in there, put it back together, voila. Good as new.
Yep.
But instead, it's like, do this, do that, that, this,
Mhm.
do, that. Whole bunch of stuff.
Yep. Some things, not everything is easy, bud. Some things are
I
hard.
noticed that.
You noticed that? Okay.
How many 603 now? 602!
6:02.
6:02 p.m.
I had to put these back in. Oh no, something. This goes on top of it on the back first.
They might want to turn it off.
I might.
And turn it off. So that he doesn't make you
So
turn
you
it
won't get scared. Yes, I turned it off, but
Yes.
I know you don't like it.
There's nothing wrong with that sound when I'm expecting it. Fortunately, when I'm not expecting it,
It
kinda
scares you?
scares me because I wasn't expecting it. Like, woo! Oh, that scared me.
Calm down. Put this guy on there
John, get back!
before I screw this in. Put this screw in there before I put the other one in. At least I'm better at the order of putting it together. Alright, I'm gonna test them again.
Whoa! Whoa.
So the legs move. That's good.
Kind of.
What do you mean kind of? They moved quite a bit.
Yeah, nice. Oh, did you turn them off before?
Oh,
Okay.
no, I didn't turn them off again.
There's that screw we were looking for.
Where?
Nowhere.
Just say if you find it, give it to me. I can still put it back in.
Unfortunately, I didn't. Sit back there. Sit back here.
Oh, that was you thumping the door. Thought maybe it was outside or something. It's okay. It's not one that's matters too much for the structural putting together of it. Some aren't as important as others.
I don't want to find it there.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to put a pinwheel in there to get it together.
A pinwheel.
What exactly is a pinwheel again?
I don't know. You're the one that said it.
How a pinwheel was. It sounds familiar.
Come on. The screw don't want to go back in the hole. Oh,
We almost lost that screw too.
some of them don't have much room to get them in place, to get them started. Okay,
My hands are stuck together.
they are.
You see, guys, they're stuck with a ring.
They are.
Here, I need a.
I put those in, I put those in.
They're stuck together.
Now I can put these in. Put that arm up there.
Arm up. Up, 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 arm. Arm up, up, arm, arm. I'm not in the video.
You're not in the video. Were you watching hummingbirds?
I was just looking at it.
Oh, you were just looking
I was
outside?
kind of zoned out.
Zoned out.
Zoned.
Alright, let's
Zoned.
put his arms up in the air.
I got zoned out again. Boo, boo, boo. 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 Boo, 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 boo.
That goes there. That goes like that. Put a pin in there.
Do we need that back part yet?
Nope, not yet. Almost.
Almost. Almost. actually brings in camera flashed.
It flashed.
It's like it's taking pictures in the video.
Maybe it is. Alright, so that's in, that's in, that's in. Yep, now I need this part.
Hopefully this guy will be a part 4 guy. Hopefully part 3 will be the last part.
It better be. I'm tired of working on this chicken moose.
Yeah, because the mechanism looks like...
Well, you got chicken feet. Look at those feet.
From a
Tell me
chicken.
those aren't chicken feet. See?
Yeah,
And you used to have a chicken toy that used the same mechanism. So.
probably the same mechanism.
Alright, let's try them again.
Oh yeah!
Walking.
It's the first time I've ever seen one of those mechanisms fully work. I don't think I've ever seen that mechanism fully work before. Never.
So now we'll put the screws in this. So we know he's working so far up to this point.
Good. Because I don't think I have ever actually seen that mechanism work before.
You haven't? Oh yeah, because we never got the...
Dog working.
What's the gambler dog? Is that the one that uses?
No,
Which dog was it?
the Christmas dog.
Oh, the Christmas dog. That's where that other... Oh yeah.
That's the one we couldn't fix.
Yep.
That one was in the first part
Yeah.
of this video. Yeah, because that one, the component that made it move was broken. So we couldn't get it moving. That's actually why we bought the gears. Because we were going to replace the gear because the gear in him was broken. But the motor wasn't spinning like this one.
Yep. I wonder if he has a bad motor.
The dog?
Yep. We could revisit that repair someday. See if we can get it working.
Yeah, possibly. We'll just have to put a
Okay.
new button in.
Yep. Now.
Oh, we gotta turn it off before we,
Oh yeah, before we try to put it back together.
because he's gonna start screaming.
Now, remember what we had to do?
We had to take the
We
arm
had to
things
take
out.
the wings out, but let's make sure we know how they go back together. That pin just goes through right there. Okay, so we got to put his arms back.
in there.
I call them wings because it
They look
looks
like
like a chicken.
Mhm.
But here they're just his
arms.
front legs, I guess. He's a moose, so there.
Well,
He
yeah.
doesn't have arms, I guess. They're all
Well,
legs.
this one does.
Yeah, oh yeah.
This one acts as arms.
Yeah. And we'll get him up in there.
Well, I'm not sure if we can fix that other dog because I remember when we were testing the components, all the other ones started going down.
Yeah,
The music,
he had lots of problems. Yeah, that is true.
that one I think the circuit board was just going bad.
Mm-hmm. Probably.
I think that one was played with a little roughly.
Mm-hmm.
A little. Oh. Is that the screw we were looking for?
Yep. It was stuck in there because the magnet from the speaker.
Oh my goodness.
He's back together. It's gonna stay out.
Yes. Oh my goodness, that's so funny. I just happened to see a screw in one of the holes to the speaker. And I was like, is that the screw we were looking for?
This is gonna be interesting to try and.
Well, the Christmas dog, that one when the circuit board was kind of going bad. I'm surprised I remember this. I remember in the Goodwill store, that dog and the gambler dog were sitting right next to each other.
Mm.
So I'm not sure if they were maybe owned by the same person, maybe? Because the gambler dog, at first, when we got him to do something, it felt like the circuit board was just going bad.
Did we ever get him fixed?
Partially.
Partially.
We couldn't get the mouth to move because
Oh yeah.
the component that was supposed to switch the way the motor would spin for the mouth
I
to
remember.
shut it was broken. So it would, like, the mouth would just open, it would start shaking, and then the jaw would just fall off.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine if that's how we were one day. Or when we open our mouth, it just starts shaking, and then our jaw falls off. Imagine if that's how we die. That would be very interesting.
I don't know if interesting is the word I would use. It'd be kind of terrifying.
Yes,
Come
that'd be
on.
a word I would use too.
Let's see if I can get it lined up.
La 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 la. Dun, 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 dun,
Careful with these arms. No giving.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can you hold this up?
Here we go. Huh?
Hold this up. One hand there, the other hand there.
Oh, there's a-
Hold that right there. There you go.
oh, I'm holding up the foot. I thought I was holding up the hand. I'm holding up the foot.
The foot, yes. I need to be able to see in there.
Then how will we get the legs back into the...
Oh, did I get it out of my
Video has been 37 and a half minutes.
Yeah. I knew he'd be fun to put together, especially his arms.
Fun wouldn't be the word I'd use.
That's more of a sarcastic fun.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, pulled out some of the stuffing. I unstuffed some of his stuffing.
Oh, he did. Did he have any stuffing? Not really, did he?
I think he had.
Okay. Got one arm hooked up.
He had stuffing in the head. I think.
Oh yeah, we left it all in there though. We didn't really pull much out.
Yeah.
That's his
But I
leg.
kind of pulled out of it, so.
Alright, so we get this arm lined up.
Be careful with that arm because that one has the button in it. You don't want the wire coming off the button.
Oh, the other one had the wire. Right here.
Oh yeah. Well, be careful with that one.
I already did that one.
Were you careful with it?
Yes. That's why I did it first though.
Because it's easier to put the first arm in first. La 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 la.
Alright.
39 minutes.
39 minutes.
We should be able to get it though, because we're almost there. Hopefully.
We're almost there. Yes, that is true.
Mhm.
Get this started.
We're just getting it back together.
Okay, so it's right there. Just gotta get it lined up.
And then we can put the legs in. Once we get that arm in there. And then we'll test it, and then hopefully we will be done.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
hopefully.
hopefully is the keyword. Well,
Wow, this one is not.
we'll be fully working once we're done is the
This one
keyword.
is even more difficult. Because the other arm's in, so I really don't have a whole lot of, not a whole lot, I have no space to work with. That's okay, bud. It doesn't matter what time it is. We'll go until we're done.
I'm just telling them what time it is now in the video. Video world. I like the sound of that. Just wait until we can start editing the videos. If we ever get famous enough for that.
Come on,
I'm
arm.
not really one of those YouTubers that is famous and gets monies every
Yeah, we don't make money off any of this.
yet. Not yet. Hopefully in the future
Maybe someday, yeah.
it'll happen.
Come on. That will not go in. I see why these ones break so much.
Yeah.
They are very, especially the arms. I can see why the arms were so busted up on that other dog.
Well, I think the person that owned those two just played with them really rough. Because remember on the gambler dog, the head was snapped off.
Mm-hmm.
The mechanism to the head was snapped off.
Alright, I think I got it lined up right
And
there.
then on the other dog, the arms were snapped.
It still didn't go in.
It did.
Nope. I told you this one's difficult. Definitely the hardest, by far the hardest one that we've ever put together.
Just wait until we start making singing toys.
Well, you can do that. I'll be retired when you get older and start making singing toys. You can hire someone to do that. I'm not doing that.
Well, you're gonna be the one that fixes them if something goes wrong. And you used to work on circuit boards. Maybe you can be a member of my group.
Mm-hmm.
And you can help me make singing toys.
I don't know.
First we fix them, then
It's
we
been
make them.
many years since I worked on circuit boards, buddy. I don't really remember how to do it anymore.
I'm sure you can learn it again.
Did it go in? Oh, it might have went in.
Sure hope so. That did not come out the right way. I said I sure hope so. I was supposed to say I sure hope so.
Ah,
I sure hopo. Hopo! Hopo hopo! As you guys might have noticed, lately I have been losing my words.
losing your words.
Well, like, they aren't coming out of my mouth the right way.
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
You alright?
yeah.
Then you can be able to see what I'm doing, but I gotta kinda, there we go. I think it might be in. That was in all the way.
Now we gotta get his butt over his neck.
It's almost all the way in.
Ah!
Almost. Almost.
Almost.
Okay.
Almost.
Alright. There's the arms. Finally.
Finally got the arms in there. And hopefully we won't have to take them back apart after this.
I hope not. Now we gotta try to get his legs back.
Yes.
back in.
That's
Those weren't horribly easy either.
Yeah,
This leg is
a little bit
lower, so let's do this one first.
You always do the lower leg first.
Well, it's just closer.
I made a new saying. You always do the lower leg first.
Come on, leg. Almost. There's one foot. Alright, so we're going to turn them on for a second and see if we can get that leg.
You gotta turn it on first.
I thought I did.
No!
No, I turned them off.
Whoa.
There. Now this leg's lower.
Ah, yes!
That's exactly what I want.
And then
What
did
I
you
wanted
turn
to
it back
have.
off?
Yes, I just turned it back off.
And then it'll be testing him time. 46 minutes.
46